Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you and tell you how to fix playback lag and in general, and also the lag in general in DaVinci Resolve. So the first tip, guys, you need to go to, of course, open up your project, otherwise you won't be able to edit the settings. After opening the project, you just need to go to Playback and under Timeline Playback Resolution, choose half. So instead of the full resolution, you will have half, and of course the rendering will be twice as less, and it will be twice less taxing on your resources, and of course will be twice as fast. Okay, fix number 2 is going to be creating a proxy for your media. So basically what this does, it optimizes your media, whatever media you add, and it will be basically lagging way less. So to do that, just right click on your media and press on where is it, generate proxy. It should be here somewhere. Alright, so I kind of messed up, so you have to go to media pool and just right click on your media from here, not from the timeline, and as you can see, proxy media, and just press on generate proxy media. This shouldn't take much time. So as you can see, in my case it's only taking about 30 seconds, and my video is 4 minutes long, so it's kind of more or less fast. So this is the second method. Alright, so another fix is, let me just wait for this to complete. So the other fix is going to be going to the playback setting one more time, and under proxy handling, you just choose prefer proxies. Alright, so this will also make sure to speed up your playback when you're editing your timeline and make things way smoother and faster. From the very first tab, go to preferences, go to memory and GPU, and make sure that you're using your GPU, okay? So in my case, as you can see, it's auto-selected. If not, you just disable this GPU selection. Okay, and after that, after unclicking, just click on this check mark to use your discrete GPU. I recommend, of course, discrete GPU, not the integrated, for video editing. So these are the fixes, guys, and also, of course, make sure to use SSD instead of HDD, because HDDs are very slow in this software. So yeah, just basically these are the fixes. So hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. Press like and subscribe. See you soon.